Yeah, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to cut your hair and how to get wavy, like curlyish, I guess, type hair. Cause before this I had like, my hair is straight, but like it's wavy, you know. But I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get it from straight to looking wavy into looking like a Master Prestige Edgar. So I'm about to go get a haircut so I could like explain to it more, because right now my shit kind of long and it don't even look good right now. So I'm gonna be going and like showing y'all like step by step like what I do, what I ask for, and what you should know, like when you should know when to cut your hair. Like, y'all feel me? Oh yeah, and before we get going, if y'all are interested in like shirts, hoodies, then y'all should most definitely check out my website. I'll have a link in my bio. We have some really nice hoodies that we just dropped, some shirts, and I feel like y'all would really like them because they go hard and yeah, for the right price. And before we get like past this anything, before we start the YouTube video, this is not any products. This isn't using any Canton, all that like trashy products that mess up your hair, because they really do mess it up. Because I tried it before, like before I had messy hair. Well, my shit's always been messy, but it wasn't like, I don't know, it didn't look good. It was just like all over the place. So same with any other products, hair products, like some of that powder y'all use, that's not really good for your hair. I'm telling y'all the naturally way on how to get like wavy type curlyish hair. So we at the barbershop. We just got here. Shout out to Clipper Kings. They get us right. No promo, but if y'all want to do me a promo, it's a rack a day. Hey, finna get fitted up. What you finna get? A low taper, like always. And after I cut my mullet off. No trim, nothing? Edge up. Just maybe a little bit from the back. I'm finna get a trim, a edge up, mid taper, low taper in the back. Or should I grow my hair on top? Yeah. Like how you telling me? I tell you, sucker. We're at the barbershop. Waiting for Victor. Hey, get the cut. I'm finna show y'all how to wash it and how to like low-key detail it. This is my haircut looks to the man. Like, I can't really share it on video because it's just kind of bright, but it's a good lighting to show y'all. Alright, so I'm home. I just got my haircut a couple like hours ago. I had to come home and do something, so I didn't get the time to record like right after I got home, but this is how they say right now. And it's a little like everywhere, but I'm finna show y'all how to style it. This is low-key already styled because my hair's already used to it, but I'm gonna straighten my hair with my comb and I'm gonna use water. I got my water thing right here, Babyliss, and I'm gonna straighten it and then make it wavy so y'all can see how to do it. You know? So to begin with, you're gonna want to damp your hair. You could do it in the sink, but don't like, I mean, you could rinse it off, but I usually get my hands wet and then just go like this and keep doing that, like, and just do it like this so the water could get everywhere. But I'm gonna do that with this because I'm not at the sink right now. So I'm gonna do this real quick and I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever it's already damp. My hair's already low-key damp. It's pretty wet already. This is how usually how you want to get it to where it's like, I'll put a little bit more. And then what you want to do is dry your hair. Hold on, I'm gonna go get a towel real quick. And what you want to do is you want to get your towel and just go like this, like just like if you're squishing something, bro. And just go circular motions like this. So mine's already dry. It's that quick. You don't need to like scrub it like really hard for like 5 minutes. You don't need to do none of that. Just do it for like a minute or two. And then you want to get your bangs. And then get the bangs and just comb them down so it's straight. That's pretty good. Alright, so that's how it looks like right now. After you straighten your bangs, it looks pretty good right now. You let go of your hair and then just mess with the top part. You're gonna have to do this like maybe like maybe for 2 weeks so your hair can get used to it. I don't know, it just depends because everybody's hair is different, but mine's already used to it, so mine already gets wavy like that, so mine's already used to it. But I'm not saying this is gonna work for everybody, but it could work for most of the people trying to do this. I got some of that towel shit on my hair, bruh. All right, so you want to keep doing this until your hair is pretty dry, not to where it's completely dry, but pretty dry. If your hair gets messed up, just comb it back down the bottom part, let it go, and then do this. Like you're scrunching it up. Just doing this. Or you could do this. This works too. Just mess with your hair, really give it that messy look, cause that's what you're going for. I still got some of that towel shit on my hair. The fucking shit's annoying, bro. So keep doing this, and I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever I'm done, when it's completely dry, so y'all can see how this like. All right, so my hair's getting dry now, so it's kind of falling in place how the hair should, like usually my hair gets. You can see, let me try to focus it. It's getting pretty wavy, so I just mess with it, keep messing with it. It's not really gonna stay in one place because the wind and everything messes it up, but when I go get haircuts, I get low tapers. Don't get high tapers, it messes up. You're gonna cut it too high and you're not gonna have any bulk. You wanna trim it like once every like 2 weeks. Alright, as y'all can see, this is like the finished look, something like that. This is side view, back, there. As y'all can see, this whole video, I didn't use one product. All I used was water and a towel and just your hands. And that's how it turned out. You can make it look better than this. I'm just kind of lazy and don't really want to mess with it. I don't have nowhere to go right now, so I don't really gotta make it look that good. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna give y'all like 360 one more time, cause y'all, other people ask for 360 songs. I think it's a finished look. I think I'm gonna just stay with this. This is how it looks like right now. This is the side view, how it looks like. This is the back. If y'all have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna try and answer as many as I can. Or about any other questions y'all might have. This is how it looks like. As for lineups, every time you go get a haircut, because you want it to be fresh, you want it to be straight. But if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. If you want a part 2, comment part 2. 1,000 followers get to 2,000 subscribers. And follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok, follow my YouTube, follow my OnlyFans, follow my nah, but subscribe. But it was just rushed. But if y'all really want a part 2, you can comment part 2, and I'll make a more detailed explanation and everything. So yeah.